In life, we as humans have many needs that need to be met. It's important to remember that sometimes it's impossible to meet all of our needs all at once. Some things will take time to build, to take care of, to deal with. And it's important not to give up on these needs and to pay attention to them, to fix what needs to be fixed, to think through what exactly your priorities are and what your personal hierarchy of needs is. For example, if you're having a really busy day taking care of your health, then it doesn't mean that other things like your career or your family members are not important. It's just really important to remember to prioritize things correctly, to take care of all of your needs, but everything will happen in due time. Like, you could not do everything in one day sometimes, and that's perfectly normal. Remember that nobody is perfect. Nobody gets everything done immediately. I'm a personal life and a business coach. Follow for more.